Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious, well-done lamb chops, starting with a crucial searing step. First, ensure your lamb chops are completely dry for that perfect crust. Heat 1-2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like olive or canola, in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your chops in the hot pan and sear them for 2-3 minutes per side. This initial sear locks in flavor and creates a beautiful golden brown exterior. After searing, it's time to season your lamb chops for maximum flavor. Sprinkle both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a good amount of garlic powder. For an extra layer of aroma, consider adding a pinch of dried rosemary or thyme. While you're seasoning, make sure your oven is preheated to a precise 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C. This careful preparation sets the stage for perfectly cooked, well-done lamb. Now, place your seared and seasoned lamb chops into the preheated 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C oven. For well-done results, they will typically need to roast for about 10 to 15 minutes, though this can vary based on their thickness. To ensure perfect doneness, always rely on an instant-read meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of a chop and look for an internal temperature between 160 degrees F, 71 degrees C, and 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. Once your lamb chops reach the desired internal temperature, remove them from the oven and transfer them immediately to a clean cutting board. This next step is crucial for tender, juicy results. Loosely cover the chops with aluminum foil and let them rest undisturbed for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the muscle fibers to relax and the delicious juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. After resting, your well-done lamb chops are ready to be enjoyed. If you prefer, you can slice them against the grain into individual portions before serving. Present your perfectly cooked lamb chops immediately alongside your chosen accompaniments. They pair beautifully with roasted asparagus, creamy mashed potatoes, or a vibrant garden salad. Enjoy the satisfying flavor and tender texture of your expertly prepared meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.